Have you ever dreamed of creating breathtaking wildlife documentary just like the ones you watch on NatGeo World PC or this YouTube channel? But then you think, I don't have the camera, the budget, or the time to travel to these exotic locations. Well, what if I told you that you can create high-quality professional wildlife documentaries right from your computer using only AI tools? And not only that, but you can also start making money on YouTube with this. Just stay with me to the end of this video because I will show you exactly how you can turn this into a profitable passion. Now, the first step is research and storytelling. This is the secret to captivating documentaries. Every great wildlife documentary starts with a story that pulls the audience in. You want people to feel something, to be amazed, to be shocked, or to be inspired. Now, instead of spending hours reading through books or websites, we can simply use ChatGPT to generate script ideas, gather accurate facts about animals, and develop a compelling storyline in just seconds. If you do not know exactly what to focus on, you can simply ask ChatGPT this simple prompt that says, give me or write me examples of wildlife documentaries that people really love. From there, you can pick inspiration and get a topic that you can create a video about. Let's assume we pick the reptiles and amphibians and ask ChatGPT to write a compelling, captivating documentary story about the anacondas. Now, why is this important? Storytelling is what keeps viewers watching. A well-crafted documentary triggers emotions, curiosity, suspense, even nostalgia. The longer viewers stay, the more YouTube rewards your video with better ranking, meaning more views equals more ad revenue. Now, once we are done researching, picking a topic, and writing a compelling story documentary, this takes us to the next step where we need to generate realistic wildlife footage without any camera but simply using AI tools. Now, before we proceed to creating images, we first of all need to ask ChatGPT to give us prompts that we can use to generate images using this AI tool. And this is the simple prompt that we can give ChatGPT. And once ChatGPT is done, the tool that we're going to use to generate images is Design AI. You'll find the link in the description below. So once we are on design, we're going to click on a new project. From there, we want to give a name to our project. After that, we want to choose our aspect ratio, which is 16:9. Then we'll click on apply. From here, what we want to do is come to text to image here. Then from there, on this model style, we want to select realistic. We can try these models and see which one works perfect for us. So go for realistic. Then from there, here we need to paste in our prompt that we've generated from ChatGPT. So start with the first prompt and paste it into Design AI. From there, we'll scroll to the bottom and click on the generate button and just observe the images that it will generate for us. Very realistic, very interesting, and very captivating. So if you do not like the images, you can still click on regenerate. But this is how easy it is to create images using design. From there, you want to go back to ChatGPT and you copy the second prompt, come back to design and paste your prompt there and click on generate again. Whoa. This is just so interesting. From there, what you want to do is to repeat the entire process of generating images until you are done. And once you are done generating your images, what you want to do is download them into your PC. So to download these images, just hover your mouse on your image and you see this download icon. Just click on it and click on download and your images will be saved in your PC. Now, this takes us to step number 3 where we need to generate a voiceover for our entire documentary. Now, for this, you will need a very powerful and engaging AI voice that has emotions and sounds very realistic. And the tool that we're going to use for our voiceover is DupDub. You'll find the link in the description below. So once you are here, what you want to do is come to your left and click on AI voiceover. From here, what you want to do is click on new voiceover. And from here, what you want to do is come to this more voices option here at the bottom. So once you're here, you can choose a voiceover based on language and accent, gender, age, and just other criteria. And one of the most unique features is that you can select emotions in your voice. For example, let's select Serenith. Right now, Serenith's voice is set to default. Let's play to hear how she sounds.
Hello, let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait.
Okay, let's look at the emotions that we have. We've got sad, angry, fearful, disgusted, surprised, neutral, and happy. Let's go for happy. So let's play to hear how she can sound if she's happy.
Hello, let's turn ideas into reality together.
And
Don't wait.
Let's hear if she's surprised.
Hello, let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait?
Okay, that's just so amazing. This is a very great feature when you've got a script and it has got different emotions. So for our project, and depending with the videos that we are creating, we'll select our language to be English. And from here, our gender will select a male voice, and the age group will select a senior person. This works perfectly well for documentary videos. I will select Simon Carter's voice, and from there, I will click on select. And from here, what I simply have to do is paste in my script that we had generated from ChatGPT. The second advantage is that you can add multiple voiceovers and generate everything at once. So I'll leave it to single voiceover. So here we can play with the speed of our voice. I'll leave it to default, and we can also play with the pitch of our voice by adjusting these buttons. So from here, what I'll simply do is I will click on the export button here on top to generate my voiceover. I'll click on it, then I'll click on MP3, then I'll click on export. From here, I'll click on generate and export. I love the sound of this voice. Step number 4, where we need to convert our images into realistic animated videos. And the tool that we're going to use to animate our images is Pixverse. So once you're on Pixverse, what you want to do is click on this button and upload your first image, and select the image you want to animate. Click on open. And once the image is uploaded, the next thing that you're supposed to do is to describe what you want to happen in your image. So I would describe it to be a smooth zoom in effect into the forest. The other way you can know how or what to describe in your image is by going back to ChatGPT and go to your first prompt that you used to generate that image and look at the action that is happening in that prompt. From there, just copy the action and come back to Pixverse and paste the action there. And once that is done, you can play with the setting here at the bottom. You can add some negative prompts here at the bottom. That's if you want to. And you can select the duration from 5 to 8 seconds. I'll select 8. You can select the resolution that you want. And on the style, I'll leave it just like that. And once that is done, I'll click on Create. And I'll wait to see the results that it will generate for me. The other way you can generate videos using this platform is by coming to the transition button here. First of all, you need to upload the first image. So this image will act as our first frame. Then from here, we need to select a second image where it will transition to. So from there, we need to describe the content between the first frame and the last frame. Like I mentioned, you can go back to ChatGPT and check out what is happening in the first prompt of your image and in the second prompt of your image. And once that is done, just play with your settings, add some negative prompt, and choose the duration, choose the resolution. And from there, what you want to do is click on the generate button. Okay, we can look at the transition. Okay, this is just so amazing. Not only that, but what we can simply do is we can add some sound effects by clicking on sound, and we can describe the sound happening in the scene. So you can add things like birds whispering and grass moving, water waves, and from there, just click on the create button. Okay, is this not just so amazing? Click the thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below how you feel about this entire process. Then not only that, the next thing that you can do is extend your video. Currently our video is at 9 seconds, but we can double this duration by making it maybe 17 seconds or 16 seconds by clicking on this extend button. So let's click on it. Then from here, we'll describe what we want to see happen in our content. So we'll say the snake moving. Then from there, we can select the duration to be 8 seconds and we can select the resolution to be 720 pixels. And once that is done, we can click on generate. Okay, as you can see, our video is now extended to about 16 seconds. So you can click on the sound option so that you can extend the sound as well, because the extended video has no sound. So make sure that you work on that as you are generating your video. And from there, what you want to do is download the video into your PC. You can also extend this video again until you have a longer video that you can use in your project. So I would download this video into my PC. I'll repeat the same process by coming to image and text, deleting this image and uploading the second image, describe what I want to see happen in my video, and make sure that the settings are the same and click on create. Okay, one thing you must keep in mind is that this is AI. It will not generate everything perfect for you. Sometimes you need to regenerate your video until you get that perfect output that you're looking for. So if it generates something that you do not like, you can still retry and get to see what it will give you next. Okay, now once you're done generating your videos, the next and the final thing that we're supposed to do is to blend everything together to make a complete solid video. And the tool that we're going to use to edit our video is CapCut. So once you're on CapCut, what you want to do is import your media here. I've extended my video too much. That's why you see just a few of them. Some have got 17 seconds, 14 seconds. So I'll start with my audio.
Deep in the heart of the Amazon.
So drag my audio here on the timeline. From there, we'll select the first video, place it here, then we'll select the third footage. Okay, so once you align your audio and your video files together on the timeline, what you want to do is listen to them and hear where they sound. If they are properly aligned, we can move to the second step, but if they are not, you can still adjust and align them. And if everything is smoothly, what we can simply do is make sure that our background audio for our videos is reduced so that it does not overpower our main audio. So to reduce the volume of our video footage, just click on the video file and come to audio. And from here, you can reduce the sound. So you can do the same with the remaining video files. And once that is done, the next step is adding transitions between our video files. Just come to transition here on top. Add a transition if you feel it is necessary to be added there. I think a black fade-in transition is perfect for these type of videos. Then we'll just click on apply to all. Then once that is done, what we simply have to do is to add some caption to our video. So just come to caption here on top, then click on create. Caption for these type of videos are very, very important. They play a very huge role. So what you want to do from here is play with your caption, change the font style and the font sizes, add some effects to your caption until it blends well with your video. And once you're done adding your caption, you can play with some adjustment of your video and some filters of your video just to make everything attractive and very captivating and educational. And from there, the final thing that you can add are more sound effects to your video. Add sound effect that resonates well with what you are creating, because sound effects play a very important role in your video. They grab attention and they keep the viewers engaged. And the best place you can find sound effects is Pixabay. Just come to Pixabay and search for documentary sound effects. From there, just come to this button and come to sound effects, and you can play around these effects and check the ones that you can use in your project. Not only sound effects, but you can also check for music, a very perfect music style for documentary. Among these, so check out these music sound and download the ones that you can use in your project. Now, one thing you must take note of, if you're downloading music files from this platform, as you download the sound, make sure that you also download the license certificate so that maybe somebody may claim the sound to say it's theirs. You can just upload this certificate to YouTube and you have nothing to worry about. Once you add your sound effects, filters, and adjusting the video file, the final thing is downloading your video into your PC. Just come to the export button here on top, give a name to your video, and click on the export button for it to be saved into your PC. From there, your video is ready to be uploaded on your YouTube channel. Keep repeating this same process. Upload more videos to your YouTube channel and see how your YouTube channel will grow. Thank you DupDub for sponsoring this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to respond to your question. From here, God bless you, and check out this video how you can create amazing animated videos.
Deep in the heart of the Amazon, beneath the murky waters of rivers and swamps, lurks one of the most powerful predators on Earth, the anaconda. Anacondas are the heaviest snakes in the world and among the longest. The green anaconda, the largest of its kind, can grow over 30 feet, 9 meters long, and weigh more than 500 pounds, 227 kilos. Unlike venomous snakes, anacondas rely on their sheer strength to overpower their prey. Anacondas are ambush predators, waiting patiently for the perfect moment to strike. Their eyes and nostrils sit on top of their heads, allowing them to stay hidden underwater while keeping watch. With lightning-fast reflexes, the anaconda wraps its muscular body around its prey, squeezing tighter with every breath the victim takes, until there is none left. This powerful technique is called constriction.